Chapter 8, Example 1A, Computing Net Pay says that Mary Sue Guild works for a company that pays its employees 1.5 times the regular rate for all hours worked in excess of 40 per week. And her rate of pay is $10 an hour. She has wages that are subject for federal income tax, Social Security tax, and Medicare tax. She is married and claims 4 withholding allowances. She also has a half-hour lunch break during an 8.5-hour day, and her time card is shown in your textbook for problem 8-1A. So what we have to do is calculate her net pay. So her hours worked, she worked 8 hours at least, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, which is our 40-hour regular. And then she worked overtime, a half hour on Tuesday, 1 hour on Wednesday, 2 hours on Thursday, and then 2.5 hours on Saturday for a total of 6 hours. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take her 40 regular hours times $10 per hour for her 400, and then her 6 hours of overtime is going to be times $15 per hour, because what you do to calculate her overtime rate of pay at 1.5 times, you take the regular rate of pay of $10 times 1.5, and that gives us our $15 rate of pay. So if she made $15 an hour, we would take 15 times 1.5, and that would give us the overtime rate of pay there. So total gross wages are going to be the sum of our regular hours and our overtime hours. So she made $490 in her gross wages. Then we have to calculate our federal income tax withholding. So this is where you have to flip back in your textbook to figure 8.4 and the two tax brackets that are in your book, and you have to decide, okay, is she married or is she single? And it says that she is married, so I'm going to use the one that says married. And then it says she claims 4, so I'm going to find the 4 on the top, and then on the left hand side I'm going to find the category that has where the 490 falls into. So if I take that category and line it up with the 4 deductions, we have a federal tax withholding of $5. Social Security is 6.2%, so we take the $490 times 6.2. Medicare is 1.45, so we take the 490 times 1.45%. Make sure you put that percent in there. So then we get our total withholdings are $5, $30.38, $7.11 added together gives us a total withholding of $43.49. So total gross wages minus total withholding gives us a net pay of $447.51.